Hello viewers, welcome to Neidhal Online. Today we will be seeing 4 designer collection and 7 designs in regular wear and fancy wear dress materials, price ranging from 879 to 1949. All these products will be available in our website neidhal.com. Every day we post new collections at 12 noon. We accept all modes of online payment and we do free shipping all over India. Orders are shipped in 2 days of ordering and tracking will be shared to your mail ID and SMS in 2 days after shipping. Delivery will take 3 to 7 working days from the day of shipping depending on your location. There may be slight delay in delivery date due to COVID restrictions. Kindly order accordingly. If you want us to ship your order at a later date, please email us at contact@neidhal.com immediately after placing your order. Viewers, kindly note, there will be a slight variation in the shades of the dress materials due to the lighting we use for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the product picture posted on our website for reference. Let us see the first designer set. The fabric is silk cotton fabric. All these are zari woven buttas all over the top with simple yoke with potli buttons in pink shades, and we also have vertical lines in the fabric. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is silk cotton. It needs lining. All these are zari woven done in the front side of the top, as you can see here. All these are Banarasi zari woven. It's a party wear suit in pink color. It's kind of dual shade. It is plain at the back. Only zari woven are done only in the front side of the material. We have fenugreek yellow cotton bottom for this, teamed with Kora dupatta with heavy zari and thread embroidery done with tapings on all 4 sides. You can see it's a rich work done all over. It's a single color. The cost of the set is 1599. This is the next designer set in premium Chanderi silk cotton fabric in half white with simple yoke and fancy buttons. All these are gota work in silver color. Let us see how the set looks. It's an exclusive designer piece. The fabric is thin, so it needs lining. You can see all these are the triangle shape ones are gota work in silver color. It is plain at the back. We have light green silk cotton bottom for this, teamed with beautiful dupatta in Chanderi silk cotton premium fabric with green and yellow lines, zigzag pattern, and silver gota lace work done on all 4 sides. It's a designer piece. It's a single color concept. The cost of the set is 1949. This is the next design in jacquard flex cotton fabric, which has self design in the fabric with beautiful sequins and bead work done on yoke. See, these sequins are done in floral pattern. All this design is going to be in all pastel shades. The fabric is smooth and soft. Let us see how the set looks. You can take a closer view of the work. Neatly done. It's a tone to tone set and matching soft fabric is provided, which can either used as a lining or as a bottom. If you are comfortable with thin and soft fabric, you can go for bottom as well. It's teamed with elegant organza dupatta with all over embroidery. As you can see here, there are floral and leaf embroidery done all over. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1399. We have 4 colors in this design. The second color is this in peach shade with beautiful work done on yoke. Matching fabric is provided, which can be either used as a bottom or as a lining. And this is a dupatta in organza fabric with all over embroidery, priced at 1399. This is the next color in light sandal yellow. And dupatta in organza. This is how the set looks. The next color, kind of light cardamom green. This design is all pastel shade, priced at 1399. Let us see the next design in pure cotton fabric in white color. All these are French knot work and thread work done, and small mirror work is also done all over the top with patchwork, and bead tapings are given in the daman. Let us see how the set looks. It's a single color concept. We are restocking this design again. The fabric is thin, so it needs lining. The embroidery is in the front side of the material. As you can see, all these are thread work done in traditional mango design. And this is the daman with bead tapings and patchwork. It is plain at the back. We have dark pink cotton bottom. It's soft and thin fabric, teamed with short width bandhani dupatta in pure chiffon. All these are real tie and dye work done with fancy metal tassels. It's a short width dupatta in multicolor. The cost of the set is 1399. This is the next design in silk cotton fabric. All these are zari woven buttas in light olive green. All these are zardosi work and embroidery work done in the yoke. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is thin, so it needs lining. You can take a closer view of the work. All these are zardosi work, neatly done. We have cotton bottom in red color, which is thin and soft fabric, teamed with digital printed fancy silk dupatta. It's a short width dupatta. It's all digital prints all over. This is how the set looks with floral design. The cost of the set is 1299. We have two colors in this. So let us see the second one. This is the second color in navy blue shade with brick red combination. The bottom fabric is very thin, teamed with short width digital printed dupatta. This is how the print looks. It's floral print all over. The cost of the set is 1299. This is the next design in semi-tussar fabric in beautiful icy blue color. All these are printed and the prints are highlighted with zari work with simple yoke and fancy buttons. So all these are zari work highlighting the prints in beautiful icy blue with peachish pink combination. The fabric is lightweight and silky fabric and needs lining in pastel blue. And this is how the print looks. In the daman we have contrast piping. We have peachish pink cotton bottom for this, teamed with plain chiffon dupatta in peachish pink color with tapings on all four sides. The cost of the set is 1079. We have two colors in this. One is icy blue with peachish pink combination. The other one is in beautiful pastel green with mustard yellow combination. So this is the next set. And this is the bottom for this in fenugreek yellow, teamed with plain chiffon dupatta with tapings on all four sides, priced at 1079. Let us see the next design in soft cotton fabric with all over prints with simple yoke with lace work and small faux mirror work done. Let us see how the set looks. The color is black. The fabric is soft and smooth. With all over prints. And this is how the set looks. This is how the print looks. All these are small faux mirror work done in the front side. In the daman we have lace tapings. We have black soft cotton bottom for this, teamed with soft mull cotton dupatta, very thin and very soft fabric with prints all over. This is how the print looks in soft mull cotton with zari borders on both the sides. With zari borders on both the sides. The cost of the set is 999. This is the second color in maroonish red with printed all over. This is the top, and we have cotton bottom in the same color, maroon shade, maroonish red shade, and soft mull cotton dupatta with zari borders, priced at 999. This is the next color in mossy green shade. Teamed with soft mull cotton dupatta with zari borders, priced at 999. This is the next design in silk cotton fabric in beautiful mehendi green color. And this is the embroidery in the yoke with round neck design and pink and orange thread work done in the yoke area. It's a beautiful combination. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is silk cotton. It needs lining. Take a closer view. We have golden taping, golden piping is given in the taping. Pink cotton bottom is provided for this, teamed with crinkled dupatta. It's a bandhani printed dupatta, it's a short width dupatta with tassels. It's crinkled, it's crushed, kind of crushed dupatta. It's a single color. The cost of the set is 999. This is the next design in silk cotton fabric with simple yoke and fancy buttons. All these are thread detailing work done in the yoke. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric needs lining. It's in black color. This is the yoke part. In the daman we have contrast piping. We have ink blue cotton bottom for this, teamed with, the fabric is thin. It's teamed with tabby dupatta. It's kind of fancy silk cotton dupatta in multicolor, and the dupatta needs tapings. This is how the complete set looks with small zari borders on both the sides. The cost of the set is 879. We have 4 color combinations in this. The base color black is going to be the same. Only the yoke, bottom and dupatta will vary. This is the second set. Here the bottom color is yellow and teamed with multicolor soft fancy silk cotton dupatta, priced at 879. This is the next color with light green bottom and multicolor soft silk cotton dupatta for this set. This is the next color with pink as a bottom. Priced at $879. This is the next design in pure cotton fabric with embroidered yoke. The fabric has vertical printed lines in pink shade. The fabric is thin and soft. With simple yoke. We have contrast piping in the daman. It's printed all over. It's with vertical stripe. And we have soft and thin fabric for bottom in fenugreek yellow, teamed with mull cotton dupatta with all over prints. This is how the print looks with lace tapings. The cost of the set is $899. We have 4 colors in this design. This is the second color with fenugreek yellow with pink combination. And printed soft mull cotton dupatta with lace tapings, priced at $899. Next in turquoise green color with light green combination, teamed with soft printed mull cotton dupatta. This is the next color in light green shade with light turquoise green soft cotton bottom and printed mull cotton dupatta, priced at $899. This is the next design in soft cotton fabric with colorful potli buttons on yoke, and this is the printed material in navy blue color. The fabric is thin and soft. All these are summer collection. In the daman we have contrast patchwork with stitch work done. We have pink soft cotton fabric for the bottom, thin and soft fabric, teamed with mull cotton dupatta which is printed all over and with tapings done. This is how the set looks. The cost of the set is $929. We have 4 colors in this. The base color is same. The top print remains the same. Only the bottom and the dupatta will vary. And this is the next color with green bottom and printed mull cotton dupatta, priced at $929. This is the next shade, blue with yellow combination. We have bright yellow color bottom for this, and this is the dupatta for this set. The next is blue with light green combination. And this is the dupatta for this, priced at $929. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day.